iPhone is unavailable on iOS 17 or iOS 18. How to unlock it? Solution 1. Erase it wirelessly via the Forgot Passcode option. Tap Forgot Passcode. Tap Start iPhone Reset. Enter your Apple ID password. Then wait the erasing process to be finished. Many people complain that they have no Forgot Passcode option on the screen. To use this solution, you should have the Find My iPhone on before the security lockout. Also, make sure that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data before the security lockout. If you don't have the prerequisites to erase your iPhone wirelessly, you can apply the third-party software solution. The SD iPhone Unlocker is our pick. After downloading and installing the app on your computer, click Wipe Passcode section. Then tap Start. Later, prepare your USB cable and connect your iPhone to your computer with it. Hit the Device Connected but not organized option. If your iPhone is iPhone 8 or later, press the volume up button and the side button at the same time. Toggle the slider to turn off your iPhone. When it turns off completely, keep pressing the side button while connecting it to your computer. Once your iPhone gets into recovery mode successfully, the app should detect it and get to the next screen. Check the information on the screen and hit Start. Make sure put your iPhone into recovery mode again if it exits the recovery mode before the downloading is complete. Then the app should extract the firmware package automatically. It shows you the warning message that the unlocking process will erase all data on it. Enter 4 zeros and hit Unlock. Wait patiently and the app should start unlocking your iPhone. The iPhone should restart and reopen for several times. When the unlock is complete, you should see the successful screen. Later, your iPhone should open. Follow the screen directions to set it up. Thank you for your watching. See you in next video.